check for cord, okay? Nope, no cord. Okay, we're good. Here we go.
Thank you, Father.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go.
Yeah, almost missed this one. Oh, that's what we want to hear. That's awesome. Oh, that's so great. This is nuts. You ever seen her this fast? She's.
I've got baby blanket.
What do you need, baby?
The baby blanket back there.
Here's a baby blanket. That is insane. Corinne, I didn't even get a chance to hold your hand.
I told you we were having a baby.
Oh my goodness.
Guess when you're ready, you're ready.
I thought he was impatient.
I was running to get my cup of coffee. I'm like, I'm not gonna get a chance to get a cup of coffee.
I did. So Josh, I think we're having a baby this morning. Okay.
What do we got?
Don't get a pic, sorry.
Dad, do you want to cut? Or does it matter?
No, you can cut. I'll just hold.
Daddy, he's all yours for a minute. Keep him nice and warm for me. Yeah. Give me another squeeze, okay? Sure.
Ethan River. Sweet boy.
It's such a different experience on this.
What a beautiful child.
Very careful.
Y'all make pretty babies for
Thank
sure.
you. Baby number 5.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yay. So fast. You just shot out of there, bro. Barely got my cup of coffee.
Okay.
Okay, don't get too close.
Oh my goodness.
Ethan River. No. Not yet. That's your brother.
Say hi, baby boy. Oh, that's my brother.
That's your brother. That's everybody's brother.
Go hold it.
You get a baby. It's sweet. What do you think, Mima? You perfect? She's got a good tear, so she's bleeding. So they're trying to stop that bleed. Okay, we're gonna go back up. Love you, bye. Not right now, baby. You can later. We're trying to deal with the bleed. So handsome. Sweet, perfect boy. Just had this baby 15-20 minutes ago.
All right, I'm just gonna take a look.
Perfect little boy. Hey, Ethan. What do you think, buddy?
Your face is here.
What do you think? Okay. Yeah. So we had a slight emergency. Mama won't stop bleeding, so we're gonna take her to the hospital.
It's okay, Jay.
Okay, they're here, ma'am. Can I let you go? Okay. She's. We're fine. She's here. Yeah, they're here. They're here. I'm gonna let you go. Okay. 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 Bye.
Mama's okay. Hello.
Okay, baby's fine. Mama's fine. It's just that we're can't get the bleeding to stop, but it's not a huge emergency, right? Is that right?
Right, they're gonna fix her up. We just
Okay.
can't do it here.
Y'all doing all right? Yes, sir. How are you? Good. Am I riding with her and baby?
Up front.
Okay, Ethan's first ride. We're gonna go to the hospital and get him with Mama real quick. See you later, little brother. Okay. Okay, whoa, what a ride. All right, so they took Mama to the hospital. We had a slight emergency with the bleeding, which I guess is normal, but she tore more than normal. She usually doesn't tear like that. Baby came so fast, I can't even tell you how fast it was. I mean, seconds. Water broke, and she had the baby. So we're headed to the hospital right now. Baby's right there, baby's fine. And we're on our way to the hospital. excited, but of course you get a little nervous as well when that happens. Okay, we just got to the hospital. Mama's in there. They're taking good care of her. Here's Ethan. He's precious. Here we go. We're going in. We're going in right now. See Mama.
Sorry for this little hiccup in the routine.
Ethan's doing great. Mama's doing great.
I was not part of the birth plan. Is that what you're saying?
No, sorry. You're an afterthought, buddy.
Offended.
You're an afterthought, my friend. All right, thank you, Lord. Mama and baby are great. She was only at the hospital not even an hour. She got some stitches, and we're taking Mama and baby back home. Woo! What an experience. That wasn't long.
You're good. It's okay.
We're having a party.
For a reason.
What a crazy day. We got our midwife. She had to climb over boxes because we were giving clothes away to charity. And so we left them in this car. We got Mama over here, and we're going back home with baby. Mama's doing great. Baby's doing great. Daddy's a nervous wreck, but I'll be great. God's good. How's it going in here? We got Mama back. Mama and baby are back. Mom's back. That wasn't long. Mommy's back. Mommy's doing great. Does that look like a woman that just had a baby?
Not at all.
I'd be like, laying on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I was too.
So
I was too for sure.
all right, you take care of her and I'll bring baby up. Is that cool, Jace? Yeah. You're a big brother. Look at this guy. He looks just like you. That's your baby brother.
Dad, he sneezed.
He sneezed.
I knew how he sneezed.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Look at him. He's perfect.
Daddy, are we going to send this video in Texas jungle? Can we?
I don't know. Little baby boy. Look at that perfect boy.
Blue pulsing vein running right along it, and there was no way we could get this.
Ruthie. Don't touch baby. You can look at baby, okay?
All of this wash. They're definitely. It's the blood spot on this sheet over down here. Because I'm missing it on this one.
What do you think, Ruth? Sweet baby.
This right here.
Is that sweet baby? Don't touch. Don't touch. Touch his hands and his feet.
Your friend, placenta is complete and perfect. Looks great. We're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it until you're ready to do so.
Catch and cook, baby. No, I'm just kidding. No, gentle, gentle.
Whatever.
People think I've already lost it with the armadillo and skunk thing. Are you hungry? You ready to eat? Sweet cry.
That newborn cry.
Somebody's hungry. He made a Jace face, huh? He's not gonna be mistaken that they're gonna be with their brothers. Sweet boy. You ready to eat? Ooh, big yawn. It's nap time now. You got a full tummy? You have full tummy, buddy? So perfect.
So sweet. Such a sweet.
Ooh, eyes open. Perfect. That one's over his eye a little bit too much, the other side.
Perfect.
Yeah, just a little. Right there. It's okay. It's a perfect baby. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Was that your first sneeze? I think he sneezed. I sneezed earlier in the car seat. Good yawn. Good yawn.
Everything they do is like awesome. Oh, that's amazing.
Great little yawn. Oh, look at that face.
Oh.
Too bright? This world a little too bright right now. Is that mama? Is that mama? Very sweet boy.
He's really trying to open his eyes. How old is he?
Buddy?
How old is he now? 11, 23, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not even 3.5 hours.
Not even 3.5 hours old?
A lot happens in 3.5 hours.
Around here. For sure.
Oh, wow.